Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get edit text value and set that value to text view. Open new Android Studio. Click to start a new Android Studio project. Then click Empty Activity. Then, press Next. Enter your Android app name. Then I will choose language as Java, and minimum SDK as API 21. Then press Finish. You will get Android Studio interface. If you want to see how to print Hello World, video link on the description. Already, it has text view. Drag and drop and edit text. I will drag and drop a button. And I will set the position. Then, I will set the IDs for elements. We use IDs to identify the element uniquely. Sorry, I made a mistake. Please set the IDs. Before, set the positions. Now, I am going to write code. First of all, we need variables for each element. So, we need 3 variables for text view, button, and edit text. Then, we want to connect variable and elements. So, I want to write code inside the onCreate method. First the variable name, equal. Variable class name for casting. findViewById. R.id.element ID. If you have any doubts, please, comments on this video. Now I have connected elements with variables. Then, I will write code for click function. Variable name of button. .setOnClickListener. New onClickListener. We need a string variable to store the text of edit text. So, string variable name equal variable name of the edit text dot get text dot toString. ToString function will convert any text to string. I will write code to set the text of string variable to text view. Variable name dot set text. Put the string variable inside the brackets. Congratulations! We have completed our application. Just click Run. Input any text in the edit text. Then, click the button. It is working very well. If you have any doubts, please, comments on this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Never miss another update.